Good afternoon, meteorologist Jesse Kelly here. Hope everyone's having a fantastic Thursday. The National Weather Service now has issued a tornado watch for portions of the ArkLaTex, mainly from areas north of Interstate 20, which includes all of northeast Texas, all of southwest Arkansas, including Caddo, Bossier, and Webster parishes here into northwest Louisiana. This watch will expire at 10 p.m. Now, we do have a slight risk of seeing a few strong severe thunderstorms, especially across areas into northeast Texas and southeast Oklahoma, even into southwest Arkansas. Main threats for tonight will be damaging winds, large hail, and like I said, tornado 2 cannot be ruled out with this setup we have right now. Now, today we have seen quite a bit of rain from areas from Interstate 30 and areas off towards the north. The first batch of rain is now moving out of the region, but there's another line of thunderstorms towards the west of Dallas that we'll be monitoring very carefully. Show that in just a second. Temperatures are very warm from Interstate 20 in areas towards the south, 82 degrees in Mansfield, 81 degrees in Natchitoches, rain cool air towards the north into Texarkana, Idabel, and the Queen. Hopefully the cooler temperatures and the rain cool air will maybe help our severe weather threat, but again, be watching this line of thunderstorms off towards the north and west of DFW. You can see this line of thunderstorms again towards west of Dallas. We watch that line very carefully as we could see a few strong severe thunderstorms, although the most of the dynamics of the system is still well off towards the north and west. But again, not seeing much rain towards Dallas and DFW, but there again, we are looking at that line of thunderstorms from Gainesville back towards Bowie and then off towards the west of Weatherford. Again, we watch this line very carefully. Also watching some more thunderstorms out ahead of this main line. We need to watch those very carefully as well, but nothing severe at this moment. So what I'm told you guys shows a lot of thunderstorms beginning to work its way into the region, at least the northwestern corner of the region, as we go into this evening, which could pose a severe weather risk as we go into tonight. Again, we'll see those thunderstorms across the northern parts of the region as we go into Thursday evening. As we go into the overnight hours, I believe our severe weather risk will begin to decrease, although we could see a few thunderstorms, again, capable of maybe producing some damaging winds, even some large hail. But the front will probably initiate more thunderstorms, so we'll see this cold front slowly migrate down towards the south, and it's looking pretty wet and much cooler as we go into your Friday. We'll see a good chance of showers and thunderstorms. Some of the thunderstorms on Friday could produce some heavy rain. All the rain will continue to push towards the south as we go into Friday evening for areas south of Interstate 20. And we'll see all the rain move out of here as we go into late Friday night to around midnight. Saturday, for the most part, is looking rain-free, although we have another disturbance off towards the west, which will begin to move back towards the north and east, which will lead to more rain chances as we go late Saturday night into your Sunday. Nothing severe, just looking at a good chance of rain. And once we get past Sunday, our rain chances will begin to dwindle. But before we get to Sunday, we could see some heavy rain with some of these thunderstorms we see between now and Sunday. We can easily see between 1 and 2 inches of rain. Now, this model here shows a bullseye of some amounts between 2, 3, even getting closer to 4 inches of rain somewhere along the Interstate 20 corridor areas towards the south. We'll again be watching the potential, maybe seeing some flash flooding. Again, the grounds are very saturated, although we haven't seen any real heavy rain recently, but again, be watching that threat for you very carefully as we go into the next couple of days. And we do have a flash flood watch out for Red River County and also for McCurtain County into southeast Oklahoma until 7 p.m. this evening. So here's a look at your next 7 days, looking at a good chance of showers and thunderstorms for Friday. Take a break from the rain for Saturday, more rain for Sunday, and then next week we do heat up. We will see temperatures into the 80s beginning on Tuesday. Looking at upper 80s as we go into next Thursday with partly cloudy skies. Those lows will continue to warm up into the 50s and 60s as we go into next week. We'll see the same thing to Texarkana. A good chance of rain and thunderstorms for Friday. Take a break for Saturday. More rain for Sunday. Then look at an isolated chance of showers and thunderstorms for Tuesday and Monday. Otherwise, you too will see temperatures upper 70s for Tuesday, 80s for Wednesday and Thursday, and lows into the 50s and 60s. So again, look at thunderstorms tonight. A few of those could be strong to severe. We do have the tornado watch out for most of the ArkLaTex from areas north of Interstate 20. All of the watch will expire at 10 p.m. as we go into the overnight hours on Friday. We could see more thunderstorms, which could produce some heavy rain.